Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yoruba stew for Ewedu. First, gather your fresh ingredients to ensure a vibrant and authentic flavor profile. This easy method will guide you through each step, from preparing your pepper mix to simmering the stew to perfection. You'll soon be enjoying a classic Nigerian dish that's both satisfying and incredibly tasty and simple. To begin, you'll need about 4 large tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, and 1 medium onion. For a kick, add 2 Scotch bonnets or omit them if you prefer less spice. Blend these fresh ingredients into a smooth paste. Also, prepare your protein. About 500 grams of beef, fish, or assorted meats work wonderfully. Now, heat about 150 milliliters of palm oil in a pot until it's clear. Sauté 1 sliced onion until it's translucent and fragrant. Then, carefully pour in your blended pepper mix. Fry this for 20 to 25 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent burning. Incorporate tomato paste, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Next, add your prepared protein to the stew, mixing it thoroughly so all the flavors combine. If you like, pour in about 100 milliliters of beef or chicken stock for extra depth. Let the stew simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your rich Yoruba stew hot with Ewedu soup and a swallow of your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.